Bundys Garage, Bundy here. Hey, I'm with Chris Nosalik with Electron Automotive in, what is this, Orange, right?
Yeah.
Orange,
California.
Orange, California. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I know you have a busy schedule today and just want to sit down with you. Chris had done a video with Chris Fix, right?
Yeah.
I saw Chris Fix's video where he places the battery on a Prius.
Yep.
And,
second generation, 2004, 2009.
Yeah, so I had seen that video, and I'm actually in Riverside, which is 30 minutes from here. Approached Chris and asked him if we could, collaborate on a video together, and he said, "Yeah, sure, why not? Let's do it." So the Priuses and the Hondas have a battery pack. Are they relatively the same weight and size? Are they different? Is one bigger than the other one? I'm just thinking of as far as actually how much they weigh.
Okay, weight, absolutely. Honda batteries vary, but I want to say you're looking at around a complete assembly, 60 pounds, give or take.
Okay.
Prius is around 80 pounds, give or take. Toyota Camry, 120. It all has to do with the size of the battery.
So that's a pretty big battery.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're working on one of these things, we could deadlift one, maybe.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're a pretty big guy. But if you're in the back of a car, and it's awkward and you've got very limited room, pulling one of these batteries out, probably the best way to do it is with somebody obviously helping you.
Yeah, we have strategies on how to get it out, where to brace your arms. You always use 2 technicians. We have, I forgot the type of gloves they are, maybe Kevlar, but it's very difficult for them to cut through. The most dangerous things about the Prius batteries are the metal cases. They have sharp edges, burrs, you can get cut easily. It's more dangerous than the high voltage, as silly as that sounds.
Well, there's a lot of, I know we wrote that down, but there's a lot of, I don't know what you want to call it, misinformation about being killed by these batteries?
Absolutely. These batteries, they are dangerous. They do have high voltage, which can hurt you, but they're so simple to deactivate. Once you deactivate it, the chances of getting electrocuted are very, very slim. I have had 0 instances here, and I taught at a college for 5 years, and we had 0 instances there. As long as you're very strict about removing the safety plug, which most batteries, you can't even open them without removing the safety plug. Most cases you'll be just fine. I'm not going to say every case, because there's always going to be that one guy out there. Something happens. But I personally do not consider them as dangerous as the general public does.
Okay. Even when because at your other shop across the street, there's batteries that were open, the cases were away from them. They're safe in that state as well?
Absolutely. We have a strict rule. Every safety plug comes out of the battery before the battery comes in the facility, and they all go in a bucket. We do have to insert the safety plug during some of our testing process, but the technicians understand the systems very well. They understand potential danger, and they know to remove it as soon as the test has been finished.
Okay. So there's not very much of a risk of killing yourself?
Very little, especially if you follow our procedures.
Are you familiar with Tesla's 18650s?
Yes.
Do you like them? You think it's a good battery?